I'm going to show you how to get more leads on Instagram, and I have got a set of 3 fun little rules around this. Number 1, it has to be easy. Number 2, it has to be fun. And number 3, it has to actually work. Because of this, I'm going to give you quick lead generating ideas, and they have to be super easy for you to implement so you can start getting leads from Instagram right away. By the way, if you're new here and you're watching this because you want to learn how to make more money on Instagram, be sure to subscribe to this channel. I make videos, 3 videos every single week, teaching you a lot about not just making money online, not just getting clients, but specifically monetizing and growing your Instagram following. So be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my best videos. All right, so the first way you can generate leads, and this will generate, so we've got a scale of we'll generate some leads, we'll generate a decent amount of leads, and we'll generate a ton of leads. And this one will generate you, I would say, a medium amount of leads, a pretty decent amount of leads. And it's the idea of story polls. So story polls work really, really well to generate leads on Instagram because it's so effortless for your potential customer. So the first poll idea that you can do is called the this or that. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So let's just say that I'll take a picture of me, and then however it looks is how it looks. It's fine. We're all friends here. And then what you're going to do is a yes or no poll. And so basically what that looks like, the yes or no poll looks like this. Do you need more clients for your business? So obviously I help people get clients. If you help people have a better relationship, you'd be like, hey, are you in a healthy marriage? Yes or no? It could be anything, right? But think about what you help your people do. So for me, I help them get clients. So basically then, what you would do, and I usually like to put a little bit of a highlight behind it so it's easy to read. After I get a bunch of people to vote on the poll, then I'll go and individually message each one of these people and I'll talk to them about what it is I do and how I can help them. We've actually created an in-depth video that completely walks you through everything you need to say, and we're going to link to that in the in the information area of what the is it called? Whatever, click it and then I'll give you more information on how to find that. That's hilarious. So that's the first poll idea, is the yes or no poll idea. Super easy, super simple, super straightforward. It follows our rules. It's fun, it's easy, and it actually works. It will generate you a pretty decent amount of leads. Second one is called a this or that. So I'm gonna take another picture of me. And then what I'm going to do is this or that. So this would be if you offered 2 different kinds of services, or you wanted to highlight 2 different areas that you can help people. So I would say, are you looking? So basically, let's say that you are a health coach. You help people, let's just say you help people lose weight. So you say, are you looking to lose weight or build muscle? Right? So it's 2 areas that you can help them with, but you're basically just getting clearer on each person's individual preference. And the cool thing is this is going to get you a lot of leads. This is the max amount of leads because every person who replies to these polls is going to be a good fit. If you help them with both, they're going to be a really good fit either way. Third poll idea is yes, send me the deets. And I'm going to show you what this one is going to look like. So I'll do something, maybe it'll be a little boomerang and I'll look super excited. Okay. Right. So whatever, it looks like how it looks. It's fine. But then what I'm going to do is say something like, just launched my coaching program, Get Clients Now. In case you don't know, Get Clients Now is my signature system to show you how to get clients. We launched it years ago, but let's just pretend we launched it now. So this one will get you less leads. So it's an okay amount of leads, some leads. However, every lead that clicks yes, send me the link is a very hot lead, and you'll get a lot of people who buy from a poll like this. So yes, you're messaging less people, but you're actually talking to more buyers. So I really like this one. So the second way, after polls, the second way you can generate a ton of leads on Instagram is with Reels. Now, I know Reels feel really, really intimidating for a lot of people. We've created a ton of videos on basically breaking down Reels, specifically how to get clients with Reels in a way that will make even the newest beginner feel really, really at home doing it. So check out those videos. They're also going to be in the little information area or in the description as well. Check those out as well if you're feeling scared about Reels. The thing about Reels though, and the reason why it gets you a lot of clients and generates a ton of leads is because Reels are really the only thing right now that have a huge organic reach. So what I want to do is show you an example of a Reel that gets a ton of applications, a ton of, leads, and it's super, super simple. It will show you just how easy it can be to generate a lot of leads with very little effort. And this on the scale is max amount of leads. You'll get a ton of leads doing this. So it's really worth the effort. Here we go. So I'm gonna pause it right here because I want you to see this. So first what she did is she works with people obviously in fitness. And so first what she did is she painted the vision of what it could look like to live a life that wasn't filled with fear, to live a life. It was amazing. She painted the vision of how she wants her clients to feel, her potential clients to feel. Then what she did is she said, I'm looking for 5 girls to help do this, right? This is a little bit of her call to action. Apply through the link in my bio now for a chance to be selected. So Erin has 13,000 followers. And I think she generated several hundred leads from this reel alone. So it's a super, remember, let's say you had, 1,000 followers. Well, maybe you could generate 50 leads from doing a reel like this. And the reason why is because it gets such an organic reach. Even people who aren't her followers saw this. So reels like this, super easy to do. We have a tutorial that's literally going to walk you through how to do that. It's really, really easy. Third way that you can generate more leads on Instagram is actually really simple. So it follows a rule. It's fun, it's easy, and it works, is you can put a call to action in your Instagram bio. Now, we have a whole video coming out on the perfect Instagram bio. We're even going to give you a template that you can use. So that's coming out in a couple days. So if you aren't yet subscribed to the channel, be sure to do that and turn your notifications on. So what I want you to do is I want you to put a call to action in your bio. And it's specifically going to say something like, DM me the word clients to get more info on my program, or DM me the word clients to get the information or to get the details. So we make about $20,000 per month from Instagram. And a big part of that is the little call to action in our bio. People see it. They're like, oh, I want to get more info. So they DM us the word clients and we get a lot of leads from that. So we had one of our students who joined our Get Clients Now program. We taught her these 3 things and we said, okay, implement it. We want to see how it goes. So she implemented those 3 things. She started doing story polls. She did like 2 reels. It wasn't even like a ton. She did 2 very simple reels. And she changed her Instagram bio and she got 2 clients in 1 week without doing anything else. That's all she did. And she said, each client was $3,000. So she made $6,000 in 1 week just by implementing these 3 things. So it's well worth the effort, in my opinion. By the way, if you're struggling to market yourself and get clients consistently, you would totally be a good fit to come to this free coaching session that I'm hosting soon. In this workshop, I'm actually going to give you my exact system that I use to triple my business and sign on 70 clients per month. If you implement the one thing you're going to learn in this workshop, you're going to be able to radically change your business and start signing clients consistently. I'd absolutely love to have you join us. We've had so many students join the coaching session like this, and they always send me messages after saying, oh my gosh, Maria, I implemented the one thing and I just signed on 2 clients, or I just made $5,000. So I'd absolutely love to see you there. You can save a free spot by going to mariawent.com/workshop, or just click the link in the description. I think you'd love it. We always have a blast on these free coaching sessions, and I'd love to see you there. If you liked this video and found it helpful, give me a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. You know how it goes. If you haven't subscribed already, be sure to smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.